Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Iceland under the microscope. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online privacy and streaming needs from Iceland. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get for Iceland users? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data stays safe from prying eyes, especially when accessing Icelandic content or browsing local networks. They all include a kill switch, which cuts your internet immediately if the VPN connection drops, so your real IP never leaks while you're browsing Icelandic sites. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your activity or the Icelandic servers you connect to. But where they differ, well, that's what really matters for Iceland users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best pick for Iceland because of its speed and features. It runs a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a huge plus for privacy-conscious Icelandic users. Another standout is its threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that might try to scam or track Icelandic visitors, even when the VPN is off. Plus, Nord has a cool meshnet feature, letting you connect securely with friends or family in Iceland for a private, safe network. The only downside? It limits you to 10 devices at once. Now that device limit doesn't hold you back with private internet access or IPVanish. Both offer unlimited simultaneous connections. So whether you're on a PC, smartphone, or smart TV in Iceland, you're covered. PIA's biggest strength? Radical transparency. It's the only one with fully open source software, so tech-savvy Iceland users can audit its code for backdoors. And here's the kicker. Its no-logs claim has been legally proven in court. That's not just talk, it's trust you can count on. Then there's IPVanish, the fully independent operator. What makes it special? It owns and controls its entire server infrastructure. No third parties involved. That means more reliable, stable connections for Icelandic users. And for those in Iceland with slower connections, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest possible ping. This can help route your traffic better, potentially improving streaming and browsing speeds, though it does sacrifice a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, here comes the big question. Which VPN is fastest for Iceland? NordVPN takes the crown in speed, thanks to its custom NordLynx protocol. That means smoother streaming and lightning-fast browsing in Iceland. IPVanish is a very close runner-up, delivering steady ping times with the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit more variable. It can be quick, but depending on the Icelandic server you pick, speeds and ping may fluctuate. So which VPN should you pick for Iceland? Here's a quick guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and a feature-packed experience matter most to you, especially for streaming Icelandic content or bypassing geo-restrictions. Go with IPVanish if you want unlimited device connections and rock-solid server control, great for households or pros in Iceland. And pick PIA if you prioritize privacy above all, want an open-source app, and need proven no-logs policies as an Iceland user. And that's it. We're out of time. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which VPN you're using for Iceland. See you soon.